How to fix you are all caught up on Facebook problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see what happens when you see a message saying that you're all caught up on Facebook. So this usually happens when you have a very less following and a very little friend list. And then the pages you follow they aren't posting very much, and you are all caught up with their recent posts. So that's what happens, and that's why you see a message. So that is technically not a real problem. You can just simply fix that by following more people and getting more content. But nowadays, it's quite rare to see that because you always get random videos and reels like this on your feed. And what you can do is just go ahead and search for any pages or any topics that you would like. And you could easily go ahead and search for something like a football team, let's say, if you're interested in that. And you could just go ahead and search for it, follow this page, and you'll start getting more content and more posts related to these kind of stuff. And that's basically you can all do to fix the problem where it says you're all caught up. It additionally says that you've seen all of the new posts from your friends, groups, and pages. So that's the way to fix it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.